Hi everyone, it's Laura Lawrence with Intrepid Careers.
I'm Alyssa.
And Alyssa is one of my coworkers. We're downtown Prince George at Hubspace, powered by Innovation Central. It is a great place to go if you want to be surrounded by really motivated people. And today we're going to be talking about how to connect with people on LinkedIn when you forget your business card at home and you're at a networking event. Alyssa just downloaded the LinkedIn app.
Yes, I just downloaded the LinkedIn app and I'm new to LinkedIn, so Laura is teaching me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm learning myself too, so there's lots of kind of cool, fun tricks. There's actually a really neat new thing that came to LinkedIn as well, where you can actually list your services on your profile.
Oh.
I know it hasn't rolled out, I think, to Prince George yet, but
Okay.
it is coming. So
Oh, cool.
we'll have to talk about that in a future video as well. But
Yes.
for now, say you're at like a networking event, right?
Yes.
And you're like, oh, I ran out of cards because I run out of cards all the time, because I give them out like they're whatever. Yeah. And you're gonna open up your LinkedIn app, right? On the very top of your search bar, there is a little QR code, and you click that, and it opens up to the scan button. And there's scan, and then on the other side it says my code. So you want to click on my code, and then the other person will go over top and they'll scan it, basically.
okay.
So it's really easy. So we're gonna do a demonstration. I feel like I got one shot, like Eminem. Palms are sweaty.
So you want me to,
Yeah. So this is my code.
and then I just scan it?
Yeah, so you're gonna put it over top. And there we go, it came
So
up.
cool.
And then you hit connect because I
Connect.
wanna connect, obviously.
Ta-da!
There we go, now we're connected.
That's amazing.
Yeah, and that's how you can stay connected to people when
Yeah.
you are like at a networking event. And then
Yeah, that was so easy.
Yeah, do it.
Yeah, that was super straightforward.
Right on.
Yeah.
Thanks for doing that with me.
Of course.
Awesome. Thanks for watching.
Bye. I learned something.